All right. Warm up a little bit while we taxi. All right, we're going to taxi down to the other end and take off this way. Shelby traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, it's back taxiing on 36 Shelby. All right. Shelby traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's departing 36 Shelby. Boy, it's crystal clear.
It is.
When it's this clear, when the visibility is this good, when you get up here by the islands, you can look west and see Toledo, you can look east and see Cleveland, and you can look north and see Detroit. You really can't. I would not be surprised at all if we get up here a little ways and look that way and we can see the Cleveland, the buildings downtown. And this is a short flight. Normally I would go up probably if on something longer up above these clouds to get out of the bumps, but it's not too bumpy yet. And there's a good headwind up there. So we're gonna fly below them. If you get up above this layer, if we went up another 1,000 feet, it would be very smooth.
Got Holiday Lakes or something down there?
Down there, yeah. There's also up here we're going to go almost right over it, a perfectly round reservoir.
The old Bellevue Reservoir?
Could be.
We used to fish on one of them. It's
the
old reservoir when they built the new one.
This one's perfectly round. I texted Mark like an hour ago and asked if it was okay to park in the yard, and he hadn't answered me, so we're going to park in the yard anyway. You ever eat at the Port Clinton restaurant?
Yeah, the little diner.
Yeah, the Tin Goose.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not open yet for inside. I looked at them last night too. Flying up here sure beats driving.
Doesn't it?
It's almost 2 hours one way for me. You know, it's like an hour and 15 minutes to the boat dock. Then you got to wait on the boat. Then you got a 20-minute boat ride. And I can do this in like 35 minutes. Island traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's Catawba Point, inbound for 3 Puddin Bay.
Port Point traffic, helicopter 830 Fox Mike on the go 36, Port Point.
Island traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's right base for 3 Puddin Bay. Put in Bay traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, base to final, Put in Bay 3.
Put Bay traffic, helicopter 830 Fox Mike, 5 miles to the south, inbound for 3, Put Bay.
X-ray, Portland Unicom.
Portland Unicom, 98 X-ray.
Yes, sir. Welcome, Portland. And how long are you going to be with us today?
I'll be here all day. I'd like to tie down and also have you fuel me up. Where would you like me out?
Yeah, off to your left of the
Bumpity, bumpity, bumpity.
Landings, you can see people going down and they have to practically go sideways.
Come on. This plane's 12 years older than mine is. That's a 55.
No kidding.
Good. We're shut.
Yeah.
Push that back, we're good. Put in Bay traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's departing 3, Put in Bay. All right, you ready? Go. The water looks pretty.
It does.
Not a bad way to spend a Sunday morning.
Oh, no, not at all.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, thanks for asking.